I had just finished a case. Not just any case, but a case with 12 book trailers. I had traveled the globe with a dozen authors, killing off more people than the bubonic plague. Yeah, I knew it would be hard creating trailers for a dozen books. When that hot little number walked in with her rocks desperate to solve her problems, I just couldn't say no. I'm a sucker for a good challenge, and she knew it. That's why she came to me. By the time I was done, I had learned to kill in so many ways I could make John Wick look like an altar boy. So now here I am, the memories of those cases cluttering my mind. I finished my coffee and went up to the rooftop to sneak a smoke and be alone. The darkness and the sounds of the streets below only made matters worse. I began to worry. How could I sell myself and my skills like a professional? Not like that hot number that came into my office one time. You know the type. Body like an hourglass, but she was only going to give you a few minutes of her time. I stayed up here, and I wondered if I was even up to the task. I wondered if anyone was ever going to send work my way. But this is a big city, and there's always someone who needs help. So I went on back down to the office knowing I could create a book trailer for that special book. Call me crazy, but I just hope they call.